Hi, it's Guy DiMartino. I'm a Northwest Indiana estate planning and probate attorney. If you have any questions about an estate plan or a probate matter and like to have an appointment, just go to indianaestatemeeting.com and you can set up either a phone call and an office appointment or maybe something by video conference if that works for you. Today I would like to talk a little bit about this fear of probate. You know, a lot of folks say that they want to avoid probate, and there's many different ways to avoid probate. I know, there's a lot of information out there where folks are trying to push people into trust-based plans, and that's fine and that works. But sometimes I don't think probate is bad in and of itself. But one of the ways that you can avoid probate is by this whole concept of a contract, contracting out. So a contract usually is a document, and the document usually sets forth certain things. So one of the main ways that you can avoid probate is a trust. You see, a trust is a contract. A trust is a contract between the grantor or settlor, that's the person who makes the trust and funds the trust, and the trustee, that's the person or company who will go ahead and manage the trust according to the words in the trust or the contractual relationship there, saying, I want money to go here, I want this to do that, I want my spouse, should I go to be, have all the accoutrements that she had while I was living, I want my grandkids to be able to go to college, and I'll pay so much into college. You see, those are the terms of the contract, where you are telling the trustee, this is what I want to happen to either the principal or interest or property within the trust. So that is a contract. So a trust-based estate plan is really based on this whole concept of contracting. Another way is through beneficiary designations. If you have a life insurance is a policy. It's a contract. And in that contract, you say, should I pass away, and if I pass away and meet the requirements of the policy, I want so-and-so to get the stuff that the policy provides. And typically, it is money. I want so-and-so to get, or multiple people, to get a percentage of my death benefit. So that's another contract. The same thing with retirement accounts. See, that beneficiary designation is a contract. When I pass away, I want my mutual funds to go to so-and-so. I want my family members A, B, and C to each get 1/3 of the assets in my retirement account. So the same thing with the bank, with a pay on death designation. You're saying, when I pass away, bank, my money, I want to go to my 5 grandkids 20% each. You've entered that document, you've written that out, and the bank will comply with your wishes. And so all those things can be done outside of having to go to court and having to set up a probate. You have the trust, you can have beneficiary designations, but all those are based on this legal idea of contracting what will happen to your stuff. If you have any questions about an Indiana estate matter, you can always give me a call or set up an appointment at indianaestatemeeting.com. I am Guy DiMartino. Have yourself a great day.